You guys can't see that, sorry. You'll hear it though, but thanks for tuning in, man. It is
My guys just
11:30
know that he
p.m.
does weird shit when he tries.
I do weird, crazy stuff, so you can't see it.
Remember how Axl Rose had to have sex with a girl while he did his vocal takes?
What? Did he?
It's kind of weird.
Did he really?
Little rock and roll history for you guys.
We actually
Damn.
have Sarah already coming for you.
That's what, yeah.
I know Waka Flocka has like
We ordered a girl.
25 fat girls in the studio.
Really?
Yeah,
Actually, I
he
can't
likes
pronounce her
that.
name, but she's from Prague.
Yeah,
So-
cushion for the cushion, man. That's where it's at, man.
We should actually just do that tonight.
It's more tactical
We
if you really
should
think about it.
Heck yeah, man.
I mean, do you want to lay?
Lebanese
Ladies with a little
hookers.
something.
Do you want to lay?
That's what everyone wants. All
Do
right,
you
guys,
want to
thank you
lay
so
on
much.
a rock
We'll,
bed, or do you want to lay on
we'll keep
something
y'all
soft,
updated.
you know?
We're gonna go
You get to do a little spoon.
I'm facing facts
and maybe
here,
set up for vocals. We're mixing down tomorrow, so we'll be releasing info soon.